Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to monetize your TikTok channel in 2026. So whether you are a beginner or already getting the views, these latest monetization methods will help you start earning the real money from your content. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to understand about the TikTok creativity program, which is in the beta version. So first of all, this is TikTok's main way to pay the creators in 2026. You earn based on the video watch time and the engagement, especially for the longer videos over 60 seconds. So to qualify for it, you need to be at least 18 plus years in age. You need to have a certain number of followers, which is usually around 10,000. Then you need to follow the TikTok's guidelines, which are relating to the TikTok community guidelines. Then you need to keep uploading the content that viewers watch till the end. Now, if you go live, viewers can send you the gifts, which also convert into the real money. So this works great for gaming streams, Q&A sessions, talent-based content like singing, dancing, comedy. Now you can grow a loyal audience and you can go live regularly. Then you can also earn money with the help of the brand deals and the sponsorships. Even with 3,000 to 5,000 followers, brands are going to pay for the shoutouts in your niche. So you can start creating a simple brand kit or the media kit, and you can add that in your email in your bio. For that, simply go to your profile section, then click on the option of profile. There, a bio option will be activated, so you just have to put it there. Now, brand loves the micro creators with engaged audiences, so you can also do this. Now you can also connect your products directly under your video with the help of the TikTok shop option that is given here. So every single sale is going to give you a commission. So this particular option is perfect for beauty, tech, and the home gadget channels. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.